Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how can we export each layer of the Photoshop file into separate JPEG file or Photoshop file. First of all, what you need is to get rid of the pictures that you don't need and remove all the layer which you do not need. For example, I have 18 images to export. I have these layers to export in a JPEG file. So what we have to do is just go to File, Automate, Scripts, and export layer to files. If you are using the higher version of the Photoshop, I'm using CS3, and if you are using the higher version, so this option should appear in export under export menu. So what you have to do is just click on the script and export layer to files. Right here is, you can see you need to browse where you want to export this. For example, let me make an folder pics, right? Okay, and this is a prefix name of the each file. Suppose my work, right? So this will be the prefix of each file name, and this if you are only exporting the file which are visible in the layer, because sometimes you have to ignore those files which are not visible. So just click on visible layers only, and this is the type in which format you want to export. Either you want JPEG, BMP, PSD. So here we need a JPEG file. So JPG quality should be 8 or 10, whatever. And simple, just run the code. Destination does not exist. Alright. Just click on the folder pics, right? Okay, run. So here we go. This is working and it is just exporting each layer to separate file. Export like successful. So let me just see the folder. Let me open the desktop, and here is the pics folder. So here we go. Now I have all the pictures in the separate files like here. So thank you very much. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you.